Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and donate with PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or go to and download the application on the Google Play Store or the App Store. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. We have send and request and a lot of different options here that you can go and see through. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and guys, donate with PayPal. We have a couple of options. You can do it through the PayPal app or website. Open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website, click on donate money and choose the charity or fundraiser to support. You can do it, create a fundraiser. In the PayPal app, click the Pay in the center bottom menu, go to Giving tab and select Start a Fundraiser and choose whether you want to create a fundraiser to charity or not. Or you can go and click on PayPal Giving Fund. Find a charity you love or set up a fundraiser on behalf of a person or organization using the PayPal Giving Fund. So guys, those are just a few options that you can go and do with that. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys!